Hey guys, it's Shrest and welcome to your 47th Java tutorial. So let's have a more let's talk more about the static keyword. Okay, so what I want to do is um, let's make three methods now to return our first name, second name and members here. So the first one is going to be public and of course string, and let's name it get first name, and it is going to return the first name, and I don't know if my code is visible or not. Yep, now it should be. So our second one is going to be again a public string, and this one is going to return the last name. So return last name. Why I'm doing this? Yep, string last name. And the third one, so it is going to be public. Actually we don't need public, by the way. Okay, let me see if I can do this, or let's leave it, it's for another tutorial. Public, what is this? So this one is going to be static. We need it to be static. Public static int get members, and it is going to return our members, and that's good. So let's jump into our main method here. I hope it's visible. So now I'm going to use a print statement, print system dot out dot println, and let's keep it blank because I need a bit space here. And now I'm going to copy it because I'm lazy. Okay, so in the first one, let's print the member one dot what get first name. For the second one, it is going to be, wait, let me copy this. Why am I been bothering about? Two, three, and we need here not last name, and this one is going to be get members, if I'm correct. Yeah. So, and now let's run our code, and we are not getting the output. So as you can see, the first member one was Shrest Pandey. So it is showing the name here, Shrest and Pandey, which belongs to the particular object member one. But our static variable, the member count, is shared between all the objects. So that's why it's showing the value 3 due to this. And if now, to clarify things more, let me go back here and let's change it to from member to from 1 to 2 and run it. So again you are seeing we are getting the name, first and last name here, which are specific or belong to a particular object, but our static variable is shared between those all, so it is showing the combined result, which is 3, as you know. So that's how a static variable works. I just wanted to make a video to make things more clear. And one more thing I want to show you guys is, so let me delete this part here. So as now we know that the static variable is shared between all the objects we made. So we don't need to specify an object because its value is not going to be changed, or it is going to remain same for all of the objects. So we can simply access a direct variable like this, or direct method, why I'm saying direct, the static method or static variable like this without making an object for it. So if I run this now, I am getting the 3 here, which is correct, and I have not made any object here, as you can see. So that's another special thing about static variables or static keyword. And I have time, so let me tell you that this is happening because I'm using my main method in the same class as that of the static methods. But if you are working in separate classes, then you need to mention the class name. Wait, why I'm typing tasks? It is static class name in which the static member, the static variable or static method or variable is. Okay, I think I just went to explain in a little deeper. Now I should stop. So you can it's 3 again, so play around with it and see you guys in the next tutorial. And I hope now you must be clear with the keyword static and why we need it. So see you guys in the next tutorial. Again, make sure to subscribe.